Tired of expensive salon waxes? Let's explore how to achieve that smooth, confident feeling at home. We'll cover essential supplies, step-by-step instructions, and expert tips for a comfortable and successful DIY Brazilian waxing experience. For a successful DIY Brazilian wax, you'll need a waxing kit, hard wax beads, applicator sticks, muslin strips, pre-waxing cleanser, and soothing lotion. Each of these items is crucial for a clean and safe waxing experience. Based on my experience, I recommend using specific brands or types of products. Proper skin preparation is key. Start with gentle exfoliation, take a warm shower or bath, and apply pre-waxing oil. These steps help minimize discomfort and achieve better results. Let's break down the Brazilian waxing process. First, apply the wax evenly, then use strips to remove it. And, follow proper techniques for different areas to ensure safety and effectiveness. Aftercare is essential for minimizing irritation and promoting healthy skin. Use soothing lotions, cool compresses, and other post-waxing care products. To prevent ingrown hairs, gently exfoliate and moisturize regularly.